init guys. So, ayan na. Prepared na. Ang usa ka bag. Ayan na si Angela. Kung ginaw ko. Ayan na. Prepared na yan. So, ayan. Lahat ng bag na to is water. Ayan, ito lang yung sandwich namin dyan. So, we go now. So, ayan na si Tata. Ayan na si Angela. Ready na. Hello. Hello. That's in Zagreb, I remember. Then, yeah, that's it. There's a lot of kids. So this is already the park. Yeah, so we have a big parking lot. Ang Tata na go. Ang daming parking lot. It's 6 euro one day. So it's good ha. Ang daming cars. So 6 euro, imagine guys. So 6 euro each. Pero one whole day na yan ang 6 euro mo. So, it's good, ha? Tapos, aqua park is there. This is a private parking. And you can park it here whole day for equivalent. Oh, it's olive trees. So, equivalent of 6 euro only. And it's nice. Unlimited park. Unlimited time. So, that's Angela. Wala. So, ginoo ko. It's very hot, guys. So, ito tayo. Nakaganito tayo. Oh, they have extra virgin olive oil. Come, Mami, do show. Here. You need to...
Wait for me.
So, here's Angela and Tata. And this is the main entrance. So, it was there. And this is the parking lot here, guys. Ayan yung private. Welcome to Aqua Parks. Wala pa. It's not yet. Angela? Hey. Not yet. see?
Aqua Park.
Aqua Park. Amadria Park. Come on.
Let's pick auto. Harry.
Here. Tatape. So we go here on the side. Go on the other side, Angela. It's too hot here. Go there. Ay, ang lawak nito. Ang lawak. It's a big space. Hotel.
Let's follow me.
Oh, it's follow me daw. So yun si Tata. Ang daming naglalakad. Going to, wow, ang ganda.
Ako, damo.
Hey. Naihas na sad. Angela. Wow, may paano pa sila. Oh, may pa-convention center. Ang laki na nila dito lah. Kalupaan guys. May parking sila dito pero mahal. Doon sa private, 6 euro lang a day. Whole day na. So yan na siguro doon. Ayan, ang ganda nito na building. Oh. Ano siya? So, ayan. O, tingnan mo sila guys. Oh, naghubo rin silang mga bata. Oh. Init pa kayo. Oh. Ayan. It's very hot.
Kick. On the little window, the barn. No, not that way. The other one.
Ede, Rocco. Bravo. Wow, the basin. Look, Angela. Yes. So, welcome to Aqua Park. Ito na yun, guys. Wow, it's a lot of basin there. Wow, and here. Yes, we go first. And we go our stuff. Where we gonna put? There on. Here. Me. Init. Woo! Welcome to Aqua Park. Yay! Hey! Enjoy dito sa Solaris Aqua Park. So, ang ganda. Lifeguard. So, dito naman may dyan na kami kanina. Yung mga para siyang river. So, So, ayan. Diyan na kami. Dito yan. Tapos liko-liko. Liko papuntan doon. So, ayan. Ayan yung dalawa. So, ayan ni Angela dito sa jacuzzi. Ayan. Ayan, ayan niya. Marami ng tao. It's a lot of people, she said. So, she do not want here. She want like, you know, special. So, where Angela wants. Dito. Maybe she like it here. So, ito naman, it's like a river. Go there. So, prefer si Angela dito. She want it here. Tata walking. Si Tata and si Angela. Tapos, ito yung may parang bridge. Sana sila? Wala pa sila. Maybe dito pa. Ah, here! Andito sila si Angela. Spotted ko, ayan. Angela! Ah? We gonna eat now. Stop now! Dito yung lagusan doon. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Round siya dito. Yan, 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 yan. Papunta dito, papunta dyan. So, ito meron silang mga foods. Fast foods. So, ayan. Libre lahat kasi ang entrance. Sorry. So, here meron silang foods. Fast foods. So, we can dine in here. It's, it's a lot of... Ala, we have also croissants. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. What's that, Dosho?
Acorn.
So they have for kiddie pool here. So the big pool is there for adults. This is the benches here. And now for kids here. We have there. We have here. May mga lifeguards. Here, ayan, slide. So, doon naman may mga slide under this one. Anong klase? So, ayun guys. Pagod. Ito yung parang rest ban nila. Rest ban nila na pag ano ka, meron kaming ganito, tatlo. So, 20 euro, good for whole day. And then, 6 euro, good for parking, whole day rin. Tapos, yung mga foods nila, mga sandwiches. So, ang binili namin is only ano lang siya guys, ice cream. Kasi meron na, di ba, nagpack ako ng homemade ko na sandwich. So, ayun. Tapos, ang ganda dito, worth it. Worth it yung day, worth it yung init. Enjoy. Kahit ako, ilang times ako nagsislide doon. Ang haba, ang taas ng slide. So, ayun, technique pala, ganito, para hindi para hindi yung mga tubig na pumasok sa ilong mo. So, ayun na. Shower area. Ito yung malaki. Ito yung malaki. Ito yung changey shower. Ganito dito guys, para silang nagtakamping, nagpipiknik. Ayan, may mga bata. Ayan, ayan. Dito naman may mga bata. So, ideal talaga dito. Ayan, here. So, nag-waiting ako guys na ayan, yung malaking container na yan sa taas, yung parang bucket, malaking bucket. So, itatapon yan at ang daming tubig yan. So, ang ganda, ang sarap. So, kanina hindi ako nakadala ng camera. So, ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ang dami ko mag-aabang dyan. Ayan, nakaabang na yan sila. Kasi mag-splash na yan dyan. Ay! From the top. Itong bucket na to from top. So, hinulog siya guys. Ang ganda. Tata guys, try down niya yung green. hindi mapasok. Hindi makapasok. Abangan ko si Tata. Tata! It's so big, Tata! Yay! You afraid? Alam mo ba doon ako nag-ano niya ni Tata, nagka-camera, nag-video? Si Angela dito na. Coming 7. And then we're now 3 hours here guys. So we enjoy so much here. So much. Ang ganda. Ang saya. Ang ganda. So, meron na sila mga camper dere guys. Ayan mga van na mga camper. Ayan magre-rent lang ka dyan. Bavaria. Ito mga hotel na mga ganito. See if I grow like this. Yes, we got this. That's a cola.
I need cola.
Oh my god. May nanay ko. So we go home now. We're now in Trugir. So 1 hour drive. 1 hour drive to Shibinik Aqua Park to Kroger. But it's 1 hour. 1 hour now. So, ayun na nga guys. Dumating na kami dito sa bahay. Very tired. So, I hope you like the video and I hope everything is fine with you and lahat po ay sana po magustuhan niyo yung video kasi nag-enjoy po kami lahat. Thank you.
Hello!